Next, let's add some memory so our agent can remember recent interactions. Click the plus button under Memory, and then add Simple Memory. Now the AI agent has the ability to look at the last few interactions to get the context for its next response. Next, let's give the agent some tools. We're going to create a daily briefing agent, and I want the agent to find fun facts for me as part of the briefing. So let's connect it to Wikipedia. Click the plus button to add a tool, then search for and add Wikipedia. There's nothing special required to set up the Wikipedia tool, so you can simply click Back to Canvas. Next, let's give the agent the ability to search Google so it can find up-to-date news stories to include in the briefing. Click the plus button and search for and add SERP API. Click Create New Credential. Next, you'll need to grab an API key from SERP API. Go to serpapi.com and register for an account. Upon sign up, you'll get 100 free API calls that you can use before you have to pay for anything. Once you're registered, copy your private API key from your main account overview page, again keeping it secret and secure. Enter that API key into n8n, then click Save. Now we have all the main building blocks of an AI agent connected. Let's try it out. Let's message the agent, ask it to give us a news story from today, and have it tell us one fun fact about a random animal pulled from Wikipedia. You can watch the AI agent take the prompt, think about it with OpenAI, search the web for a news story and use Wikipedia to find a fun fact, and then finally return a response to the chat.